from the coupler turbine, the experiment and drawing the characteristics of coupler turbine testing. So running this coupler turbine, which tools are required? One is a venturi meter, stopwatch, tachometer, and dead weight pressure, dead weight. Okay, these are the required tools. So now we can see the diagram of the coupler turbine. This is a coupler turbine tabulation. So first one, inlet pressure, and then total head. This is a venturi inlet pressure, venturi outlet pressure, and then the total pressure, then discharge of the flow rate, and then speed of the turbine, and weight of the hanger or the dead weight, and then weight balancing. So this is T1 and T2, and then net weight. So T2 minus T1 equal to net weight, net turbine output, and then output of the turbine, and then efficiency of the turbine. This is the efficiency calculation for formula. First one, venturi reading, then turbine output, and then output by input is equal to turbine efficiency. From that using formula, you are calculating the efficiency of the turbine. This is a coupler turbine. So the starter is having two switches. One is the red, the other one is the green. Red is the on, green is the red is off, and the green is on. So switch off the coupler turbine. Then you have to control the input discharge. So this is get one close or open. Okay. Then you have to close the control the input discharge to change the inlet of the vacuum of the pressure, and then inlet of the pressure. Okay. So this is for RFI's inlet, RFI's outlet. Okay. P1, P2. Okay. So this is a turbine readings. Okay. From the turbine reading, here you add the weight 1 kg, and then take the meter reading. Okay, this is a vacuum reading, inlet reading, and then P1, P2 reading. Okay, again you apply the second weight. Okay, second weight, then you have to change the reading. So accordingly to collect the 5 readings, you take tabulate your thing, then you have to each and every reading calculate the efficiency, then switch off the motor.